Myopia, also known as nearsightedness, is a common eye condition where distant objects appear blurry while close objects are clear. This condition occurs when the eye is too long or the cornea is too long, or the cornea is too curved, causing the light to focus in front of the retina instead of on it. Myopia can be corrected with glasses, contact lenses, or refractive surgery, but there are also eye exercises and tips that can help reduce its progression. One of the most effective ways to prevent myopia progression is to spend more time outdoors. Studies have shown that children who spend more time outdoors have a lower risk of developing myopia. The bright light outside can stimulate the release of dopamine, which helps prevent the elongation of the eyeball. It is recommended to spend at least 2-3 hours a day outdoors. Another helpful tip is to take regular breaks when using screens. Prolonged screen time can cause eye strain and fatigue, which can worsen myopia. The 20-20-20 rule is a good guideline to follow. Every 20 minutes, look away from the screen and focus on an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Eye exercises can also be beneficial for reducing myopia progression. Here are a few exercises to try. The pencil push-up exercise. Hold a pencil at arm's length and slowly bring it closer to your nose until it becomes blurry. Then slowly move it away until it becomes clear again. Repeat this exercise several times a day. The figure 8 exercise. Imagine a giant figure 8 in front of you and trace it with your eyes. Do this exercise slowly and in both directions. The near-far focus exercise. Hold your thumb a few inches away from your face and focus on it. Then switch your focus to an object farther away. Alternate between the two for a few minutes. It is important to note that these exercises are not a substitute for proper eye care and treatment. Regular eye exams with an optometrist or ophthalmologist are essential for maintaining eye health. In addition to these tips and exercises, there are also other factors to consider when it comes to preventing myopia progression. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, can help support eye health. Getting enough sleep is also important, as sleep deprivation can affect eye health and exacerbate myopia. In conclusion, myopia is a common eye condition that can be managed with proper eye care and treatment.